Okay, suppose you want to find 3 consecutive even numbers whose sum is at least 200. We want to know what inequality below would help you find the 3 smallest even numbers that satisfy this requirement. So a few different answer choices here. Let's see if we can't come up with a solution. So let's call the smallest number let's call that x. Well, so there's my number x. What would we have to do to x to get to the next even number? Well, for example, if we started at the number 4, the next even number would be 6. Well, to go from 4 to 6, we're just adding 2. So my next even number, I could write that as x plus 2. Well, the next even number after 6 is going to be 8. So what I do, I started at my first number, 4, and I added 2. And then I added another 2 to get to the number 8. So my next even number would be x plus 2. Or we could write that as simply x plus 4. So those are going to be a generic way of representing my 3 even numbers. And if we add those up, we would have, well, x plus the quantity x plus 2 plus the quantity x plus 4. And we said we wanted that to be at least 200. So that means we want the sum of these 3 numbers to be greater than or equal to 200. And that would be our solution. So again, you could certainly combine like terms. You could add the x's together. Make it 3x. 2 plus 4 would be 6. So equivalently, you could write this as 3x plus 6 greater than or equal to 200. But I don't think that was one of our choices. So let's see if we can find x plus the quantity x plus 2 plus the quantity x plus 4 greater than or equal to 200. Let's see. It looks like that's going to be answer choice D. C almost looks correct, but notice the inequalities pointing in the wrong direction. And A and B aren't correct because, well, if you look at x and then x plus 1 and then x plus 2, you're actually doing just consecutive numbers. You're not doing consecutive even numbers in this case. So it looks like answer choice D is going to be our correct solution in this case.